Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Jio SIM supports 5G and that your plan includes 5G access. This matters because unsupported SIMs won't register on 5G cells. Next, open System Settings and install any pending OS updates, then update or install the MyJio app so provisioning works. Once done, navigate to Mobile Network Settings and set network mode to 5G/4G/3G, preferred. Doing these first removes common blockers and primes your phone for now. You proceed to provisioning. With the eligible SIM inserted, reboot the phone so the modem requests service from the nearest Jio 5G cell. Open MyJio and verify your account shows 5G entitlement and that no billing hold exists. The app often triggers carrier-side activation. If the phone doesn't show 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force re-registration. Make sure you are in a covered area. Otherwise, the phone will remain on 4G until a 5G signal is available. Finish by confirming the 5G icon appears and run a speed test to validate performance. This confirms both radio and data plane are active. If 5G still fails, gather IMEI and SIM IXID and contact Jio support for reprovisioning. They can push profile updates. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinsert the SIM, verify APN settings match Jio defaults, and ask support to reprovision the SIM. This resolves most provisioning mismatches quickly and gets you on 5G without delay.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.